Hello friends, we are back with question number 18 of December 2019. So we will discuss today question number 18. So it's basically a matching type of question and saying that match the celebration days related to environment with their corresponding dates. So in list 1 we have been given days and in list 2 we have given the dates, right? So, as all of you know, the enough amount of information have been given in both the columns, right? So, it will be Earth Day, which we know Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd of April each year, right? Then we have International Ozone Day, which you know is celebrated on 16th of September. Then we have International Biodiversity Day, right, which is celebrated each year on 22nd of May. Then we have Wetland Day, which is celebrated on 2nd of February. So as we have matched everything, so the correct option in the given choices is the fourth one. Let's put up some more light on the days which are celebrated across the year, right? So the days which are related to environment. Let's have a look. So we have this table where lots of days have been given. So if we talk about February and environmental important days, so February 2nd, February World Wetland Day, then February 27 International Polar Bear Day, and National Science Day, which is on February 28th. So they are quite important. Then we have others in March. If you see, we have in March, 3rd March, World Wildlife Day, as you can see here. Then we have International Day on Action of River, that is March 14. Then we have World Sparrow Day, March 20. Then we have World Forest Day, March 21, World Planning Day, World Wood Day. Then we have World Water and Sanitation Day, March 22, World Meteorological Day or World Resource Day on March 23rd. Let's come on to the April. Then in April, we have quite important days. These are like quite important information if comes to the question. Then we have April. Then we have April 7, which is World Health Day. April 10, which is World Atmospheric Day. And April 18, which is World Heritage Day. World Earth Day, which is April 22. So that was there, right? Earth Day, which was there into the question. You can see. Then we come to May. So 3rd May, International Energy Day, as you can see here. Then 8th May, we have World Migration Bird Day. Then 11th May, we have National Technology Day. May 14 is Endemic Bird Day. Then Biodiversity, World Biodiversity, right, which was May 22. It was also there in question. These are important things. World Turtle Day on 23. Then comes to June. So we have in June also 5th June World Environment Day, which is also important. Then we have 8th June, which is World Ocean Day. Then we have Coral Triangle Day, June 9. June 15 is Global Wind Day. Then June 17, which is also important, World Day to combat desertification and drought. So these are some of the more important days, like you can say these are in July, right? Then August, then September, then October, then November, then December. So this was about question number 18. Hope you are enjoying the information provided from our team by A.S.S Science Foundation for the community people, because your exam is near. So you should work hard and keep learning the subject day by day. Thank you very much.